Welcome to Nancy Obibo TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Welcome to the kitchen.
Let's make fresh orange and carrot juice. First, juice your fresh oranges. Now add the carrots. Perfect, ready to enjoy.
Welcome to my kitchen. Slice the fresh watermelon.
Fresh for you.
Add the banana pieces.
Make it shine. Add some
Enjoy
love
your
and
fresh
live
juice.
life.
Why did the mango
One
go
more
to school?
taste to
Because it
see
wanted to be a
through.
smoothie.
Share this meal from me to
Making
you.
fresh fruit juice is always a great way to start your day.
Watermelon juice is an incredible natural hydrator because it is packed with electrolytes and essential vitamins.
It is going to be so juicy and perfect for it. First, cut the fresh watermelon into small, easy pieces. Next, place them into the juicer chute to extract the juice.
Watermelon juice is an incredible source of hydration, packed with essential vitamins like A and C. It supports heart health, incredible source of hydration, packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that support your overall health. First, carefully slice the avocado in half and remove the pit. Then, scoop out the flesh into a bowl and mash it thoroughly until it is completely smooth. To extract the oil, keep the heat low and stir consistently so the avocado doesn't burn. Take a look at this incredible
to a happy home. Sing it loud, you already know. Nancy Obibo TV, let's go.
Avocado oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which are great for heart health. It is also an excellent source of vitamin E. To make homemade peanut butter, start with 2 cups of roasted peanuts, place them into your processor, secure the lid firmly, pulse until they become a coarse meal, scraping the sides occasionally, blend until smooth and spreadable. It is an easy way to enjoy fresh homemade snacks. I am just scraping all this delicious, freshly made creamy peanut butter out of the food processor and putting it into this glass container to keep it nice and fresh for later. You can spread it on crisp apple slices, blend it into a morning smoothie, or even stir a spoonful into your oatmeal for a delicious protein boost. To start, add your fresh mango, a generous scoop of Greek yogurt, and a tablespoon of chia seeds to the blender, then simply pulse until perfectly smooth. Preparing a healthy snack is so simple. First, I pour this delicious mango, chia, and yogurt blend into the container, seal it tight, and then just pop it in the fridge for later. This is our delicious mango ice cream, which has been chilling in the refrigerator for a few hours now to reach the perfect creamy consistency. Perfectly set after refrigerating for a few hours, it is now ready for us to enjoy today. Carrot and banana juice is a fantastic energy booster because it is rich in vitamins and potassium. Adding carrots and bananas to your diet provides essential vitamins that improve your skin health and give you sustained energy throughout the day. It is packed with vitamin A for eye health and potassium for your heart.